Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of WordPress series, and in this video we are going to see that how we can make a multi-language website. So let's start the video. In the previous video we have created our WordPress site which have a simple home page and have a header on the top section. Okay, so now we want to add a multi-language tool in our website so that the user from any other country and any other state comes to our website can easily access this and able to read about our content. So for that we need to install a plugin, that is 𝗙𝗵𝗻𝗀. So let's go and download that plugin and then we will discuss more about that. So first of all, go to your dashboard area and then go to plugin section and then click on add new. Okay, after clicking on add new section, then go to search plugin section and here you need to search for 𝗙Translate. When you search for 𝗙Translate, then you will be able to search some plugins related to this keyword, and here you just need to download the first one. Okay, so click on install and then wait for a few seconds till it get installed. Okay, here we have installed the plugin, then click on activate. Whenever the plugin got activated, then you will be able to see this plugin in our settings area. Just go to settings and hover over there, then look at the last option in settings. Here you will be able to see 𝗙Translate. Okay, so here you can see 𝗙Translate dashboard. Now have a look on the first option, that is visit look. Here we have a flag and the drop down area. So we are going with this thing, we are not going to change. If you want to change this thing from any other option, then just go for it, no problem. And then we have translate from option. So this option means that in which language your website is currently existing. So here my website is currently in English. Don't say that it contains only 2 words. Okay, our website is currently in English, so just choose English option. And if your website is in any other language, then you can just choose that one, like Hindi, Italian, Japanese, and any other. Okay, now we have the other thing, that is show in menu. In which menu you want to show that thing, then just choose that option. So here I have chosen a mobile menu, and here we have that we have an option which is asking where you want to show this floating language selector. So from here you can choose any option. You can show it in top left, top right, and bottom left, bottom right, bottom left, no scroll. So for now I'm choosing bottom left, and it will be fixed even the user is scrolling up and down. The floating language selector will be static on its position. Okay, so go little bit down. If you want to enable native languages, then you can click over here, but currently I don't want to do this auto switch to browser language. There is another option. If you want to go with this thing, you can absolutely go for this thing. And then we have an option of monochrome flex. This is not much important, so you can leave it. Okay, here we have option for languages. You can even choose languages by your opinion, that which type of visitors are coming to your website, and even you can check all of these languages. Okay, so right now we just choose all languages, and if you want to remove any of them, then you can just click over there again and then it will remove directly. Okay, so now go to little bit down and you can even enable these things, but I'm not doing it right now. Then go and click on save changes. Okay, so here we have done. Let's go to the browser and refresh the web page. Okay, now here you can see in the bottom left we have an option to choose a language. So let's go with Bengali. So when I click on Bengali option, then my web page get translated to Bengali language. And if you want to go and change it again, then go back. We want our web page in English, so just go and choose it. Okay, now you can see that we are able to change languages for our website. Okay, now we want to change the color of this floating language selector because it's not that eye-catching. We want that user can easily see that there is something that he can use. So first of all, let's try that is these things working or not. Switcher arrow color, let's choose it white. Text color to white, and border color to black, and background color is to black. Okay, so let's see that is it working or not. Okay, click on save changes and then go back over here and refresh your web page. Okay, it's working properly. Yeah? Go back to this and change a little bit more. Background shadow to black. Even if not black, then you can just go for this thing. Okay, you can choose it according to your own choice, and from here you can also select things like if you want to go with red, then you can just click on red color. Okay, now click on save changes and let's go back to our browser and see that is all things are working and not. So when I click on refresh, then you can see that our this thing is working properly, but it's still not that good. Switcher arrow color is white, text color is white, background color on hover we want it black. Okay, and drop down color is to black. Okay, or is white. Let's take it white and then click on save changes. Okay, now you can see that the color is changed and now it's a little bit eye-catching that user can easily go and see this thing. Now let's see that is it responsive or not. So if I just switch to mobile mode, then I can see that it is responsive, but I want to show in the corner side, not in the middle and some other places. So let's make it position a little bit good. So first of all, have a look that we have any option to make it proper or not. So I'm unable to see any option over here. Okay, don't edit over here, maybe it can make some issue with the thing. So we are going to add some additional css to make it properly working. So for that, just go and get the css id for this language selector, and its id is switcher non translate. Even just click on this arrow and hover over this section. Whenever I just go and hover over here, then it will show me its css that are connected with it. I just go and see that it's showing that its background color is this and position is relative z index is this. Now we want to change its positioning. Copy this css and go back to your website and go to appearance and then click on customize. Here we have an option to additional css, then click over there. Okay, now we want to add css over here. Okay, so we are not going to change its background color, its position and all. We just want to change its alignment little bit. So for that we are going to add some margin and all. Okay, I think we have selected something wrong. Just go with switcher only. Okay, now this switcher is the class for our this floating language selector. So we want to change its position. To change its position, we need to make some margin in our left side. So we are going to use margin. We are going to use margin left. But this time we are going with minus sign, because if we go with 60 pixel with the positive sign, then it will move further. So we are going with minus symbol and then put important after that. Okay, so now you can see that it's little bit good right now. And if you want to make more alignment from here, you can go with 50, you can go with 70 as well. So this is how you can edit its position. Whenever you're done with the styling part, then click on publish, so that the changes that you have made right now will be reflect on your live website. So if you want to see that how your website look in tablet devices, then click on this option. So here our this multi-language selector will be look like this, and in case of mobile devices it will be visible like this thing. Okay, so I hope after watching this video you will be able to make your website multi-language. And if this video helped you anyhow, then please don't forget to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button too. Thank you for watching this video.